Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you're new to the channel, watch this, or you know, just hit the subscribe button. You can see Aaron later. So anyway, what am I doing today? So if you guys can recall, obviously I got a new Genesis Coupe because I totaled the other one, unfortunately, and I'm gonna miss you. But obviously I had to move on, and I wanted to make sure I continue the project and things like that, because obviously we've got that, you know, little lovely beast right there ready to go in, along with all those parts right there in the corner. The wheels have to go back on, the intercooler has to go back on, not that green piece of crap right there, because obviously you guys have seen in the past videos the Ninja Turtle shit going on in the back of my car. If this doesn't, well, you know, I'll just show you again, you know. Come on. There we go. Yeah. It's a Ninja Turtle. Looks like AstroTurf. Yeah, I know I'm wearing green today, but you know, it's not in honor of this. So, anyway, today I have a little project. The wheels here, which I do not like, are coming off. I do not like them. I don't know, they just don't seem to fit the style of the car. It's, you know, this is somebody else's personal style, but it just doesn't work for me. You know, these are 19s, but like, because the face sits in, it's just weird, because then it looks like a smaller wheel and it doesn't fit the car. Here, I'll back up and show you. See, I mean, it just doesn't work. So today we're putting my wheels back on, but with a little twist. So as you guys can recall, with my wheels are this color right here, which you can see there. Well, maybe not, the camera can't do it justice. It's basically a metallic gray, silver, whatever. That's not gonna work with. Now, it worked very well with my other Genesis because it was black. This is silver, obviously, and you know, the windows are obviously tinted and things like that, dark. So I don't know if that tells you anything right there, but we got some work to do. And then the mirrors here were black. I had to actually strip the mirrors and things like that. So right now the mirrors look like this. I'm debating whether to buy mirrors or paint the mirrors black again, but my version of black, you know, like black dynamite. Anyway, so I actually already started painting the wheels. Well, one of them I've gotten done so far, and I want to show you guys so you guys can actually see a difference. Hopefully you like. Again, that's the color I actually painted these. These were actually a hyper black, which is basically a silver. I don't know why they didn't call it, with a black tint to it. Now, over here, yep, right there, wait for it. Here you go. This, I ended up painting the wheels black. It doesn't seem to do a real justice on camera. Maybe once I get them on the car, you'll see it, but this is actually a special black. And why I say it's a special black is because this is the same black that my R-spec was. Like, literally. I had the paint mixed, put in an aerosol can, and then sprayed the wheel that color black. Now this is a metallic black, but you're not going to see it until I basically hit it with clear coat and things like that. But let me know what you guys think. I mean, you can see the difference in the two there. In person, these look way better. Obviously, with the playing cards on here, it doesn't help. But I mean, I think they came out pretty good. I've done this before, so yeah, let me know what you guys think. I gotta finish the other ones. Now, obviously, you guys know there must be a method to my madness, and there is a method to my madness, and that is silver car, black wheels, And you guys know I don't necessarily like black wheels, so why did I paint the wheels black? Well, I'm gonna tell you. Obviously I had Brembos before. I will have Brembos again. And I think, just if you really think about it, the silver with the black wheels and red Brembos, it'll set it off. I think it'll be hot. It'll be the hotness. It'll definitely make the car look different. I mean, I don't know how many other ones are rolling around like that, but you guys know my style. You guys seem to like the style of my black R-spec, and you know, I didn't really do too much to it, but it just, not going too crazy really set the car off, and everybody seemed to like it. So I'm going to try to kind of go the same route with this one. We will add a few touches here and there that I didn't have before. Obviously, that exhaust, we're getting rid of that exhaust. That's just ridiculous. With the obviously, if you guys can see that in the camera there, my exhaust mod, that hanger there that I had to bend when I was bringing the car home from New Jersey, so just to get the exhaust up. But that exhaust is going. I was able to find the CNT exhaust again, which is great. And I know everybody's probably like, well, a lot of people have the CNT exhaust. Yeah, but they don't have it like mine. So if you guys can see that there, this is the CNT exhaust. Okay, the V3. The difference though is here. I actually replaced from here down, this was the muffler. I replaced that and had it turned into a true Y pipe. And the length was important and things like that, because that's how I got a unique, very, very unique sound of my car. And if you guys are looking to do something like that, find a good fabrication shop that does exhaust. And I don't mean, I'm saying don't go to like Meineke or something like that, unless you know somebody there who's actually really good at that type of stuff. And do it. I'm telling you, it makes a huge difference. If you go back and watch some of my other exhaust videos and things like that, you're gonna hear it. Matter of fact, if you check out this video here, where yeah, my car was spitting that hot fire, that's part of the reason why my car sounded so good and things like that. And that car will sound, that one right there is gonna sound just as nasty. And just so you guys know too, I will be, once I figure out where the hell did I put that, it's on the table here. Sorry, my garage is a mess right now because of all the parts I had to put in it. But starting off, I will be putting the BTR ECU back in. And then once everything is ready to go in, as far as the new motor and all the other parts and things like that, then the Haltech, then we tune, then the nastiness comes, because you know how I do. So I'm actually going to finish or do some more work to the wheels, and I'll let you guys watch a little bit of that, and then you know, I gotta put stuff back in the car, put my intercooler back in, things like that. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. So let me do some more work, let you guys see that little bit of process that I do when painting wheels, and then we'll talk. By the way, I'm gonna get this out of the way right now. Yes, I don't match, okay? So make fun of me in the comment section all you want with my Adidas. Damn, those actually look pretty hot. Once you see them from a distance, they look better on camera. You see the ones in the background there, the difference. Damn, I think they came out pretty good. Set it off. Alright guys, one thing I did notice while cleaning off this wheel, so during the accident I got some curb rash right here and things like that, so I'll end up fixing that too. It's actually not that bad. I've actually fixed this wheel before, like right down here, but you know, so I gotta grab the Dremel and get to work. Alright, so I got that smoothed out and things like that, so it looks worse than it really is, but I needed to make sure that was smoothed out. Now I gotta re-wipe the wheel down and paint. Alright guys, while we let that dry for a few minutes, obviously I started, you don't go crazy with if you're using rattle cans and things like that, just because if you go crazy with it, even with a paint gun, what can happen if you spray too much on, the paint will run and things like that, and you don't want it to run. So it takes a few steps, a few coats and things like that, but you're better off taking your time. Also, I did sand the wheels a little bit just to rough them up to give the paint something to adhere to. So that's what you didn't see that part. Obviously I wiped off the dust and stuff too, but you know, it just helps when you're doing something like this because you want them to come out looking great and awesome, like they were professionally done. I'm a professional anyway, anything I do, so there you go. Alright guys, that's where I'm going to end the video here for today. Thank you guys for coming back and watching, and I'm glad, you know, I wanted you guys to see what's going to happen with the new Gen Coupe and things like that. So, and just to keep you guys updated. Thank you guys very much for supporting me after my accident. Obviously I didn't get hurt, thank God. You know, It was really awesome with all of you guys and things like that. We got some more stuff coming. A couple of things. You guys have been helping me find parts. Some of you are actually sending me stuff just to get this going, and not going, but you know, just to add your own little touches to the project. So I want to thank you guys very much for that, and you know, make sure you guys like this video, share, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel, things like that. We got way more content coming, as you guys could see earlier. Stop looking at my bunny. My eyes are up here. But as you guys can see, we got way more stuff coming, as you saw earlier with the other motor and parts and things like that. Go back and watch my other videos. So until next time, make no limitation your only limitation. Peace. Damn. Ooh. Damn, son.